For today's fall buttercream piping tutorial, I will be teaching you how to pipe a pine cone. Begin with a square of parchment attached to a flower nail. Using your coupler or large round tip and a medium consistency brown buttercream, you'll need to pipe a base. The height of this will determine the height of your finished pine cone. Using a number 81 tip with the rounded edge facing out, beginning at the top, you will need to pipe small scales. So to pipe these scales, you're going to apply pressure, pull back, and then sharply pull away. Once you've covered the tip, we're going to work from top to bottom, and we're just going to pipe these directly next to one another, but not overlapping. To pipe each of these pinecone scales, you're just going to apply pressure, pull back, and then sharply pull away. As you work down to the midway point, you will need to start making these slightly longer. So just apply a little bit more pressure, pull back slightly further before sharply pulling away. As always, all of these instructions, as well as the buttercream recipe and lots of good tips, can be found down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out as well. So we're just going to continue piping around in a circle, working our way towards the base of the flower nail. If you wanted to make a larger pine cone, just start with a larger base, and for small pine cones, start with a medium-sized round tip to make your base, and then you'll end up with a much smaller pine cone. So as we come down to the bottom, we want to pipe our final layer right onto the parchment paper to ensure that we get a nice full shape on our finished buttercream pine cone. And that's how easy it is to pipe a pine cone. These can also be made with cream cheese frosting or royal icing. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I hope that you'll join me for the next one. Thanks so much for watching.